Welcome to 4234 Carpinteria Avenue, Unit number 3, located here in Carpinteria, California. This quiet community is renowned for having the world's safest beach. From this location here, we're a short walk to downtown, to the beach, and to the Carpinteria Salt Marsh, which is a nature preserve with great walking paths for the dogs, or just a great area to get outside and enjoy nature. From here, we're only a 15-minute drive to downtown Santa Barbara. This is just a fabulous location with so much to do. Regarding the condo itself, it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath unit at just under 1,700 square feet. These owners here have recently finished a remodel, and I can't wait to show you inside. Let me show you around. So right off the bat here, you can see this beautiful open floor concept with your kitchen, dining, and living area. You have a wonderful private patio space, and with this southern-facing exposure, you get a lot of that natural light from this location. You'll see you have a gas-burning fireplace, and one of my favorite features that these owners have done is the luxury vinyl flooring throughout the home. And as we step into the kitchen here, you can see some of the great work they've recently done, including the quartz countertops, stainless steel sink, and the subway tile backsplash. Recently repainted cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and they've added some great new iron fixtures. You have a large pantry space here. And a laundry room with your washer dryer. Straight ahead, you have your entrance to your 1-car garage and another private patio space with some mountain views from out there. Besides the 1-car garage, the condo also comes with a second off-street parking spot. The association also has a hot tub with beautiful mountain views. And you have your half bath right here, which is nice to have on the downstairs level. As we walk up the stairs, you can see the luxury vinyl flooring and the gradual steps up, which make for an easy walk to the second level. On this level, we have all 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Stepping into the first bedroom here, I love the vaulted ceilings as well as the mountain views from this room. We have a full bath to our left here, which is used as the guest bathroom. We're stepping into the second bedroom upstairs, which these owners are currently using as a nursery. Where you also have some great mountain views from that space. Now we're going towards the master wing. And one of my favorite parts, this large walk-in closet. You can see we have a large master bedroom. There you get a nice view of the space here and the vaulted ceilings also add to making the space feel much larger. From inside the master bathroom, you can see you got a great double vanity with your shower tub combo. Lots of space in here for 2 people. Thank you for viewing this coastal Carpinteria condo that comes at such a great value, under $800,000. Please reach out if you have any other questions or would like to schedule a showing today.